This is a multi-purpose bookrest. It's by Lovinghue and pretty cool. It's a nice wooden design and it's got a lot of functionality. So I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let me tell you everything it does. So first, you've got this little place for a drink. You've got this book holder here where you can just place, like when you're done with the book, you can just go like boom and it's ready to go. I kind of love this because I have a actually really big book that I'm going to end up putting on this, that it's kind of hard to hold its place. So I'm really excited about that. It's a big binder. It's going to be perfect for this. Also has this page holder, which is pretty cool. You just put your thumb in there and it can hold the book open. So it just holds the pages, which is super cool because then you don't have to hold with two hands. You can literally just hold with one hand. Really great if you're doing stuff like cooking and you've got your recipe book. Very cool. It's also got this little ridge here where you can put in tablet or you can put your phone and you can just slide and read right on your phone just like that too as well. So pretty cool, different functionality. And then it's got this little triangle spot inside here. This little wooden piece fits right in here, but it's also got this really cool spot right here where you can stash an extra pair of glasses, which I think is super cool because I'm always like, where's my glasses? But if I have them right with my reading book, very cool. My readers are with my reading. Very neat. And they have a couple different colors. It's pretty cool. You can check out the listing. I chose the natural one. I wanted the really natural one because I thought it would look best next to my bed. So very cool. And again, thank you so much.